Today's video is going to be about makeup brushes. I have these two amazing high quality brushes with me and I'm going to try this for you. One side I'm going to use the Mars Pack of 6 brush set. You guys know how much I love this brush set. And on this side I'm going to use this PAC Cosmetics Pack of 7 brush set. So let's see which one works better. I have already used the Mars one before and I know how it works, but this is my first time trying out the pack, so I just thought of comparing these two together. I purchased these two products from Nykaa and let's see how they work. Okay, so this is the brand new packaging. This is the Mars one. I love this brush set. This is very affordable plus beginner friendly at the same time, and you also get high quality bristles, which I really love. The Mars Artist Arsenal brush set, and you get total 6 different brush. This product costs for rupees 14.99, but I think I purchased it for 1000 or something. And this is what the packaging looks like. This is my favorite brush. I use this for so many different things. This is the F01 brush, which is my absolute favorite brush, my go-to brush. I love this so much. And they say that this is a cream bronzer, cream contour brush, but I use this for my cream bronzer, cream blush, cream highlighter, foundation, so many other different things. This is absolutely amazing because of this beautiful shape. I'm just going to show you guys how it looks. One by one I'm going to talk about each brush, and this is the first brush from Mars Cosmetics. You guys can see what a beautiful tip this is. This is so perfect, beautifully soft, very high quality, very professional. I just overall love how beautiful this feels. I don't think you need a high-end brush if you get this one from Mars. It is so amazing. Also, they sell this individually, so if you don't want to get this entire brush set, you can get these products individually, because sometimes you only need one brush, so getting the whole set is not worth it. This is what my favorite brush looks like. You guys have seen this brush in my videos 100 times. I love this so much. Extremely, as I mentioned, it's super soft, very easy to work with, very easy to blend the product, and overall I just love the quality of this. Okay, so the next brush is F02. So I just want to talk about this incident. When I first reviewed this particular brush, so many people reached out to me and they said that they are not happy with the quality, the bristles are coming off, and some people are facing some issues. Some people really loved this, but maybe it was some kind of manufacturing issue. Told them this issue and I was like, you know what, you should fix this, because these brushes are very good and I don't want people to complain about these. So I talked with them, we had a chat, and then they decided to see what was going on. And now, oh my god, what a beautiful brush this is. This is F02. This is a flat top foundation brush. I love this brush so much. If you want to get a foundation brush, get this one from Mars. It is so good. You know what, it just fits your face perfectly. Sometimes a foundation brush can be a little bit small or maybe a little bit big, so it will be hard for you to blend the product, but with this type of shape it is so good to blend the product, to use it on your face. It fits your face shape perfectly and it does not make your foundation look very patchy or streaky. It actually blends it so beautifully because of this flat bristle top that is going on. You can see that it's flat. Then comes the powder brush. It's so good, and this powder brush is, and because of this particular shape, this powder brush is my favorite. The powder brush is not too big. I have a powder brush like this. You can see how big this is. Definitely you can use this for your entire face, but I don't recommend it. Few specific areas where I love setting my face with powder. This is not my go-to brush for powder because it's too big. It holds a lot of powder and it can go wrong while you just set your face. So a powder like this, a powder brush like this is so good, especially for beginners. If you just don't know how to powder your face and you just end up using too much powder on your face, this is the perfect brush for you. You can just use the powder on specific areas and you are just good to go. I just love this shape. Tapered brushes are usually good for powdering. it just holds the product perfectly well. I just saturate my brush really well with the powder and then I set it. It is absolutely amazing, so good. My favorite one again. You get 3 eyeshadow brush. One is like a fluffy blending brush for your transition colors. One is a smudger brush like this, a very like, you know, a bit thick smudger brush like this. And another one is again a packing brush, a blending brush. So this brush is perfect for your transition shades. This brush is perfect if you want to do smoky eye, or if you want to smudge your kajal, or if you want to smudge anything. And this brush is perfect if you want to place eyeshadow but in a specific area, and if you want to blend that area, like a small, if you want to blend a small area, this is the perfect eyeshadow brush for you. I love that they haven't added any spoolie or something like that, because I don't use it and I think it's a waste of money. Now let's talk about this one from PAC Cosmetics. I heard really good things about this. So this is beginner's basic face and eye brush set. This is what the brush set looks like. So if I exclude this spoolie one, I don't like it, I don't use it. So you get definitely the same type of brush you're getting in the Mars one. The foundation brush, powder brush, one blush or bronzer brush, and 3 eyeshadow brushes. So this is the PAC one. I really love the packaging. It feels again very luxurious, very good. By the way, the price of this one is, okay, the price is not written, so I'm just gonna check what was the price of this product. I guess it was 1700 or something like that. So this brush kit is for 1895 rupees and I got this for 1800 rupees. And yeah, this is for 1895, 1900 rupees only. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna start. This is the first brush. I really love how it feels. It's like very heavy, very, you know, very professional type. And this is the, I think this is a foundation brush, hopefully. This foundation brush is quite different. And it's again, I guess it's also going to give me that beauty sponge type of finish because of this round tip. Sometimes if you are a beginner, using a flat top brush can be a little bit difficult for you. So I just really love the shape of this. I don't know how this is going to work because this is my first time trying this out. I'm going to show you guys side by side how it works. So you get a foundation brush. I really love this tip. Then you get a powder brush. This is the powder brush. Again, a tapered brush. Really love the shape, really love the size. It's so perfect to powder your face. And then you get a, okay, this was not a foundation brush, this was a powder brush. I am not going to use this for my powder. It's like too dense to powder my face. I think I'm going to use this for my foundation. This is called their blush brush. I have no idea why they are calling this a blush brush, because I guess it's too good to powder your face. Also good to apply blush as well, but not my favorite type of brush to use blush. The names are quite weird. Then comes the foundation brush. Oh wow, this brush is very beautiful. This is the foundation brush. It's quite different. This is perfect for your bronzer and blush. Maybe they named it differently, but it's up to you how you want to use it. It's up to your convenience. So this is the foundation brush. I really love the shape. It's quite different. This is the size, not too long or too short. This is the foundation brush. And you have 3 eyeshadow brush. Very good. Like these eyeshadow brushes are so unique. Okay, this is not eyeshadow brush, this is a concealer brush. Yeah, this is a really good concealer brush. This brush set contains concealer brush, which is great. This concealer brush is absolutely perfect to apply concealer or maybe to color correct few areas. Then you have 2 eyeshadow brushes. One is like a flat type of a brush, but it's quite dense. And then you have a eyeshadow packing brush. So I guess this brush set is good. It's like perfect. The names are quite weird. You can use it however you want to, and it comes with a spoolie like this. It's a useful product if you want to do wing eyeliner, or maybe if you want to use cream brow product or something like that. But I don't like this. This is an eyebrow pencil, eyebrow brush, by the way. So this is the brush set from PAC Cosmetics. Now let's start with our makeup. So this is the Mars foundation brush. This is the PAC foundation brush. You guys can see the difference. Overall, it is quite different. Very unique, the PAC one. The foundation brush from Mars, I already used it. I know how it feels. Let's apply some foundation. I'm gonna use my Makeup Revolution Silk Satin Radiant Serum Foundation. I'm loving this product. It is so good. First, I'm gonna try this with the Mars one. First, I'm gonna use with the Mars brush. This is how the foundation looks like. I'm just going to zoom you guys in just so you can see how flawlessly it blends the product. See how beginner friendly this is. So good. Does not give me any kind of patchiness, any kind of lines. Brush actually matters a lot. Sometimes we do think that it's our foundation, but it's not. It's just our brush. If you don't use a good quality brush, it's not gonna work well. So with the Mars brush, now I'm gonna use the PAC Cosmetics one. It holds the product perfectly. Like the foundation, it actually spreads it well, but this one will actually give you a lot more coverage than the Mars one. Great. Super soft. Love the bristle quality. Absolutely beautiful brush. You can use this in so many different ways. And this is the side with the PAC brush, but as I'm using it, I can feel that this side contains a lot more coverage than this side. Okay, now this is the hard part, because how will I contour with this one? I have to use this brush or some other brush from PAC Cosmetics, because with this brush I can't contour. This is a good blush brush but not a good contour brush. Loving this contour stick from Makeup Revolution. Just going to use it a little bit. A very beautiful fluffy brush, but it's quite intense. You can use your powder products with this as well. It is so good. I love this brush so much, and thank God Mars for coming up with such a beautiful shape of brush. And I'm going to take the foundation brush. You can blend your product with any type of brush you want. It's completely up to you, whatever works for you. Comes the blush. I'm going to use this same brush from Mars for my blush. I love using this one. And for PAC Cosmetics, I'm going to use this one. They mentioned this as a blusher brush, so I just cleaned it a little bit. I'm just going to take my, it's too pigmented. I'm going to take my NYX Cosmetics Buttermelt blush, and so perfect. I love this brush for my blush. It just hugs and fits this area so perfectly. It's very pigmented, so make sure you are dusting off the excess. Not my favorite type of blush brush. I think with this type of product, it's very hard to blend and control your blush. If you know how to control your hands, if you know how to control your makeup, this is the perfect blush brush. It's soft, it's good, but not my favorite for a blush. So in the Mars makeup kit, you don't get a concealer brush, but in the PAC Cosmetics one, you get a concealer brush, and I'm just going to show you how you can use it. Mars Cosmetics, they do sell individual concealer brush. I have it, and they have a different Tools of Titans, I think that's the name. And in that kit you will get a concealer brush. This concealer brush is good, but it's a little bit small. I think this concealer brush is perfect to spot conceal. It's like very tiny, so you can easily spot conceal or maybe color correct with this one. It's blending my product well. So perfect to color correct or to spot conceal your face. I really love the bristle quality. It does not hurt your under eye area. Our under eye area, this skin right over here is very fragile, very sensitive. So if you use a brush which contains like hard bristles, and brush is not a high quality brush, it will hurt this area a lot. But this is too soft and it just fits this area perfectly, blends it really well. Now I'm gonna powder my face. This is the Mars powder brush. This is the PAC Cosmetics powder brush. Very big in size than the Mars one. It's a good brush for your blush as well. This is the perfect brush for your blush. And I'm just gonna take my Milani powder. Love this one. I just saturate my brush with this. Just take the excess like this. I never go directly, and then set your face. Just do this technique and you will see how beautifully you can just set your face. I love this one. I already mentioned this and you guys have seen this brush already. It just fits the area perfectly. It's very soft. I love the shape of this one. It's more bigger than this brush, but it is so perfect. Like, this shape is absolutely perfect to use powder under your eyes. Again, not my favorite to powder my face. It's like too big. Like, look at this area. Even if I don't want to put too much powder over here, I have to because of this brush. It's too big for a powder brush, but it's good for a blush brush. Good brush for your cream contour, cream blush, or maybe your foundation as well. Okay, powder done, foundation done. This is what my face looks like. Now let's do our eye makeup. So you get 3 eyeshadow brush in this Mars kit, and you get 2 eyeshadow brush in this PAC Cosmetics kit. I'm going to use this e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to take this fluffy eyeshadow brush from Mars, and I will use this particular color as my overall transition shade. This brush is good, but you don't have too much control with this brush. It's like way too fluffy, so make sure you're not using any type of dark color with this. Just light color or maybe some kind of transition shade. This is the brush. This brush is only for your transition shade, or maybe you just want to blend your whole eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this brown color with this brush. This is like a packing brush. Use the eyeshadow on the outer area of my eyes. This brush is perfect if you want to apply eyeshadow on specific areas of your eyes. Blend the eyeshadow on specific areas. This is a perfect product for that. And I'm gonna take this flat fluffy brush, and I'm gonna take this shimmer shade, apply it on my inner corner area, just like that. I'm just gonna take it a little bit upward. So perfect. Let's do the same thing on this area. I'm gonna take this brush and the same transition color. This is the eyeshadow blending brush I'm using from PAC Cosmetics. Okay, this brush holds a lot of product because this is another packing brush. You don't get a transition brush over here like a blending brush, like a fluffy eyeshadow brush, big fluffy eyeshadow brush you don't get in this kit. This is good. It holds the product perfectly. Very high quality, very professional. The same brush, I'm going to take the brown shade. This is the perfect brush to pack and blend your eyeshadow. And with this flat fluffy brush, I'm just going to take the shimmer shade, and I'm just going to apply it on my inner corner area and take it a little bit upward. So yeah guys, this is the finished makeup look. What do we think? I am absolutely in love with both of these brush set. I talked about it already. You guys know what I think about it. The PAC one is really good. The Mars one is also beautiful. If you're a beginner or maybe a professional, if you want to invest in a good brush set and if you don't know which one to pick, I think this video will be helpful for you. These brush sets are very high quality. I will not talk about brush sets which are just for rupees 600 or 500 because I can definitely say that the quality will not be the same. If the brush quality is not good, your makeup will also not turn that good. Make sure you're using a good quality brush. What do you guys think of this particular video? Let me know in the comments down below. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.